Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT based patient health monitoring system using Raspberry Pi 3 and Python. So in this project we are using an Raspberry Pi 3 and a 16x2 LCD display and one alarm, heartbeat sensor, GSM SIM 800L. So here we are using MCP3208 ADC, successive approximation 12-bit ADC. So why we are using means LM35 temperature sensor, it is analog sensor, it is connected to the channel 0. EDC ECG analog sensor, it is connected to the channel 1, and cell and bottle detection of level 1 2 3. So those are connected with the ADC pins of 2 3 4, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. Fault detection, body fault detection sensor, it is connected to the channel 5 and channel 6, X and Y coordinates. So Raspberry Pi 3 B plus. So LCD, it is connected with the RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7. So GPIO pins of 20, 21, 16, 26, 19 and 13. GPIO 4, 3 and RX TX, it is connected with the 14 and 15. So LCD, it is connected with the RS, it is connected with the 20, and enable, it is connected with the 21, and D4 16th pin, D5 26, D6 19, D7 13. And heartbeat sensor, it is connected with the 4. Heartbeat sensor, it is connected with the third. Alarm, it is connected with the 4. And RX TX, it is connected with the 14 and 15. And MCP3208 master out, slave in, master in, slave out as clock and chip selector. These 4 pins are connected with the MCP3208. Yeah, let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using one adapter and one 5 volts adapter. 9 volts adapter, it is connected with the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. And here 16x2 LCD display, Raspberry Pi 3 B plus, and fault detection sensor, body fault sensor, SMS alert and email alert, LM35 temperature sensor, ECG sensor, 3 probes, and cell 11 empty, low, mid, full, heartbeat sensor, it is clip type heartbeat sensor. And here we are using one GSM SMS alert and one alarm. Total 5 sensors, 1 2 3 4 5 sensors, GSM SMS alert and one alarm. So here we are using one Android app, which is all data should be displayed on our Android app: temperature sensor, heartbeat, ECG, fall and cell level. So all the data should be displayed on the here Excel format. And same thing, we can go for main screen. It will show the all the parameter data. So here I am open VNC viewer, sudo idle, file, open project, documents, project, health pi. So here is our programming code. So here I am adding my mobile number, temperature alert, heartbeat alert, ECG alert, fault detection alert. So this is my programming part totally. Now I am going to start run. Okay, now LCD is going to start. Welcome healthcare monitoring project. So now we need to connect the heartbeat LED blinks on and off, heartbeat 75. Okay, no water is, saline is no, heartbeat. So now I am going to increase the temperature using doop stick. Yeah, temperature 72. So it will send one SMS alert. Yeah, over body temperature SMS alert came. Over body temperature SMS alert came. Okay, and we will receive one email alert also. email alert. Yeah, patient health. Okay, patient health, body fall. Okay, body temperature alert 56. Patient. Okay, email alert and as well as SMS alert. So fall detection. Okay, here fall detection. Yeah, body fallen, fall equal to yes. So now I am going. Okay, body fall detected. Better to bend right side. Okay, left side. Okay, yeah, fall equal to yes. Now I am going to inserting saline level to the water bottle. Okay, so it is saline will be F. It will come as a F. Yeah, level 3. It is showing as a level 3. Okay, level 3. So now I'm going to up. Okay, level 1. Now when it is coming to the level 1. Okay, level 1, it will say level 1. Now it is checking the heartbeat, like that's why it stopped. Okay, level 1. Okay, then we will get the level 2. Okay, yeah, level 1, then SMS alert, email alert. Okay, so here we are getting. So saline level 1, fall detection over body temperature, saline level 1, and as well as email alert, patient health. Okay, on updates. So saline level is 1. So here also it is showing the data onto the screen. Temperature sensor data, X, saline level, ECG, all the sensors data. So here heartbeat, it is connected to the heartbeat. ECG, it should be connected to your body. And here we are inserting GSM SIM card. So now I am going to switch off the power supply. Okay, press it. SIM card is coming outside and insert it. Okay, and give the power supply. Okay, so here is the programming part. Now I am going to file run. So I am running the Python code. Okay, here we need to connect the sensors. temperature sensor, heartbeat sensor, ECG sensor and fall detection sensor. Okay, lift to fall. Okay, fall equal to yes. We will get SMS alert, email alert. Yeah, thanking you.